Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to manage offline languages in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and here click on more privacy settings. Now in more privacy settings, click on Android system intelligence. Now here click on device recognition and then click on add a language. Now from here you can manage offline languages. So to use a offline language, just find your favorite language and then click on the download icon with your language, and now click on download and then that language will start downloading. So that's how you can manage offline languages in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.